Draíocht. Welcome to a series of short exercises designed to help you master Amach. Now, in Draíocht Ceoil, which is the Irish tradition of using sound energy, there are two pillars of the practice. One is isteach, one is Amach. Now, isteach as Gaeilge means inside, and in this context, in the context of Draíocht Ceoil, it means all of the things that we do that are interior: meditation, listening, deep listening, so on. Amach is the other side of the coin, where you are emitting sound in a magical context. Now, isteach can be easy enough to understand, whereas when it comes to Amach, our own self-consciousness can stand in our way. And long before we even begin to try to master the more complex techniques involved in Draíocht Ceoil, learning to master isteach agus Amach is a really, really valuable practice. And you can start right now. There are things you can do to help bolster your confidence in making sound. But for a lot of people, it is easy enough to displace this need to emit a note onto an instrument, onto a drum, onto a whistle, onto a stringed instrument, and that is okay. But the biggest asset you have is your own voice, and this is where we run into difficulty, because the little voice at the back of our head going, hush. We're taught to be quiet. We're taught to tone down. We live close by other people. We don't tend to run around screaming at the top of our voices. We can find it very hard to suddenly start using our voices in any context, let alone in a magical context. So this little series is designed to help you just try different exercises to overcome that little barrier at the back of your brain. Now, some people are born to perform and they find it very easy and very natural. Others, myself included, no, absolutely not. It really isn't a natural instinct. But by practicing and by leaning into these techniques, when it comes time to use them in a magical context, you will have the self-confidence to do it. And without that level of confidence in yourself and your own abilities, no amount of beautifully prepared words or great intent is going to be as effective. You need to be able to use your voice and lean into it.